Surface mount your compatible ECHOMAP Plus chartplotter sounder combo using our bail mount with knobs. The mount tilts for optimum viewing. Plugging the cables into the mount's quick-release cradle allows you to seat, unseat your device with ease. Package dimensions: 9.1 L by 33.6 H by 19.9 W centimeters. Package weight: 0.774 kilograms. Country of origin: Taiwan, Province of China. Compatible with ECHOMAP Plus, 92 SV, 93 SV, 94 SV, 95 SV, 97 SV, ECHOMAP UHD, 92 SV, 93 SV, 94 SV, 95 SV, Panoptix LiveScope Ice Fishing Bundle. Top reviews from the United States. Purchased this so I don't have to remove the original bracket from the boat when I want to use the unit for ice fishing. It's much easier to just pop out the head unit and clip it in the boat or the portable setup. Well worth it.